I've seen too many videos and I'm fucking scared.
So, at this time, you are under arrest. Place your
What?
hands behind your back.
Wait, no.
No, don't tense up. Don't tense up. Relax.
No!
Relax.
Fuck you. I'm sorry.
Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. About halfway. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And stop. Nope. Get in the cell. Do it now.
For how long?
On the night of September 15th, 2023, around 1:12 a.m., Officer Brock Westerman of the Pullman Police Department was patrolling heading north. He noted a 2017 Kia Sportage going south that turned without using its turn signal. He observed the driver almost hit a curb and again failed to signal when turning. After activating his emergency lights for a traffic stop, the vehicle parked in a lot on the 800 block of Knee Street. Officer Westerman approached the driver, identified as 19-year-old Mered Quigley.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
My name's Officer Westerman. Stop is being recorded. The reason you're being stopped was a few things. So, when you turned onto California Street, you didn't use your turn signal. Then you almost hit a curb. Then you made a left-hand turn here onto A Street, again not using your turn signal.
Okay, I'm
Were
sorry.
you just distracted by something?
I'm sorry, I usually...
Okay.
We're here frequently, so
Okay.
sorry.
I see you have blood coming down your hand. What's going on with that?
Oh, that's a
Are you okay?
personal reason, yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Did you cut yourself?
Yep.
How long ago?
I don't really think that's any of your business, I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm just concerned.
No, that's fine. No, I'm just here to...
Okay, do you have your driver's license with you?
I do.
Upon approaching the vehicle, Officer Westman encountered a young woman who appeared distracted. Noticing blood on her hand, the officer asked about it, but the driver refused to explain, stating it was personal.
How old are you?
19. I think. Okay. I think this is my... Let me make sure. Okay, yeah. This is my recent insurance. I got a new car last year.
Okay.
This is here. And I think this is my...
It talks about warranties and all sorts of things.
Is this not the
So
right...
no, that one is not. This one's your registration.
Okay.
You were looking for an insurance card.
Insurance, okay. I think that's on my app. What do you... Okay.
Is your last name Quigley?
Yes. Oh, I was gonna say...
What's your first name?
Alright.
Okay, Mairead, can you come talk to me outside the car, please? Because I'm instructing you to step out of your vehicle.
Is there a reason why?
It's a lawful order. You have to step out of your vehicle now.
Is it a lawful order?
Yes, ma'am. Step out of your vehicle.
Upon interacting with Mered, Officer Westerman noticed the smell of alcohol and observed her eyes were watery and bloodshot. He requested her driver's license, but she could only provide the vehicle's registration. Mered was hesitant to respond when asked if she had been drinking. Given these signs of possible impairment, Officer Westerman asked her to step out of the car and offered her the chance to perform field sobriety tests.
I'm kind of concerned about how much alcohol you've had to drink tonight, plus your driving. Would you be willing to do some voluntary field sobriety tests?
Is that a voluntary thing?
Correct, they're voluntary.
Mered was uncooperative and ultimately refused to complete any field sobriety exercises.
So, if I say no, what is that?
Then I have to make my decision based on the observations to this point.
Which is, like, based on what?
Your poor driving,
Poor driving based on what? Me not putting my blinker?
not using your blinker, nearly striking the curb. When you pulled into this parking lot, instead of just coming to a stop, we went through all of these cars and then came back here.
Well, this is where I was pulling into. So.
You just have to say yes or no, you want to do the test.
What do I do if I say no?
That
What
doesn't,
happens if I say no?
then I have to make my decision based on the observations I've seen at this point.
Which is what?
I've just,
Can you be honest with me?
Yeah.
If I say no, like, what happens beyond that?
if I believe that
Because
you're...
I'm, like, just genuinely, like, scared of, like, what's going on here. Like, I've seen too many videos, and I'm fucking scared. that I don't trust you guys. So like, what's
Okay.
going on beyond that? I'm here.
So I think you're intoxicated.
Officer Westerman decided to arrest Mered for driving under the influence, considering her erratic driving and other signs of impairment he had observed.
So at this time, you are under arrest. Place your hands behind your back.
Wait, no.
No, don't tense up. Don't tense up. Relax.
No.
Relax.
What the fuck? What
She
do
has
you
dry
mean?
blood on your hand.
Joey, get anything, please.
No one will walk up to this, otherwise they will be detained.
What do you mean I'm under
Relax,
arrest?
relax.
What do you mean? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I
For
didn't do.
DUI.
What do you mean? I didn't do anything.
You have the right to remain
Get
silent.
my car out, leave.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say please against the court of law.
Get him to get my car at least,
You have the
Joey.
right at this time to talk to an attorney and have him present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford to hire an attorney when to be appointed to represent you without cost if you so desire.
Tell him to
decide-
get my car at least, Joey.
You can decide at any
He's
time
in there. Tell him to get my car
not
at
to make any
least.
statements or answer any questions.
Today is the
Joey.
15th of September, 2023. It is 01:28 hours.
I don't have my fucking phone. I don't
Yes.
have anything.
She said it was a personal reason. She didn't want to talk to me about it. Okay, we're going to walk to the rear of my patrol car. Do you have anything on you that can stick or stab me, like a pocket knife, needles, something of that sort?
Nope.
Okay. Do you have pockets on your skirt?
No.
Or are these shorts?
No.
Okay.
Can I at least have my phone?
Relax, please. Please, relax. Fighting this is not going to change anything. I need you to relax, okay? Not at the moment. I'll come talk to you in a second. Have a seat.
What are you? You haven't even. What are
Would
you
you like
arresting me
medics
for?
to come look at your wrist?
No.
Okay.
Can you just? Why are you arresting me?
You are under arrest for operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol to the point that it's impaired your driving.
Once Mered was secured in the patrol car, Officer Westerman informed her boyfriend that she would be released in approximately 6 hours. He then drove back to his patrol car and transported Mered to the Pullman Police Department for additional processing.
Can I get out?
Yep. Alright. Stand to the right of the door so I can get the next door for you. Alright, go up to that brown chair in front of you.
Do you want me to sit in it, stand in it, or what?
Well, I don't want you to stand in it, but you can have a seat.
Can you take these off, please? Can I have my phone?
No.
At the police headquarters, Officer Westerman read Mered her Miranda rights and the implied consent warning. Following this, she agreed to provide breath samples for testing.
Received. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right at this time to an attorney. Anything you can say or you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney before answering questions. You have the right to have an attorney present during the questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you without cost if you so desire. You can exercise these rights at any time. Do you understand these rights? You gotta say yes or no.
Yep.
Okay. I have read or had read to me the explanation of my constitutional rights, and I understand these rights. I understand my constitutional rights. I have decided not to exercise these rights at this time. Any statements made by me are made freely, voluntarily, and without threats or promises of any kind. Do you understand that?
Officer Westerman commenced the required 20-minute observation period, during which Mered admitted to having consumed alcohol earlier.
Do you have anything in your mouth? No gum,
What do you
piercings?
mean by that?
I'm going to answer your question here. What that does is for the next 15 minutes you can't put anything inside your mouth. If there was residual alcohol in your mouth, it gives it time to evaporate. Again, do you have anything in your mouth? Can you open your mouth and lift up your tongue, please?
What?
Can you open your mouth and lift up your tongue, please? Like this. Thank you. The next section is the implied consent warning for breath. So warning, you're under arrest for RCW, and your first name is pronounced Mairead, correct?
Sure.
I've never met anyone with that name before.
No?
Is it like a family name or something?
How do you care?
I'm just trying to make small talk.
What? Asked you arrested me? It's an arrest. Thanks for asking. I just want to go.
So this machine's going to think for the next couple minutes, do all of its internal checks. When it's time to do your sample, what I'm going to have you do is you're going to stand up.
Can I just go home, please?
Not at the moment.
I know, but after this, please just
I
give me
will-
a fucking ticket, and if I do, just let me go home.
I will do my
really
best.
don't want to be.
Please listen to the instructions. I'm going to put this into the breath nozzle. When I tell you, you're going to stand up, you're going to take a deep breath so your lungs can't hold any more air. Then you're going to blow steady through this tube until all the air is gone.
Yeah, my
It's
mom
gonna.
made me used to do it.
Wait, you do breath lasers?
Yep.
No. It might be a little different. It's still thinking. You can sit if you want. It's going to take about 10-second sample. It's probably longer than you're accustomed to. Go ahead and take your deep breath in and blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're about halfway. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop. Have a seat.
Following the breathalyzer procedure, Mairead's alcohol test results showed a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.179% based on the lowest infrared result.
That's going to think for just a couple minutes. We'll do it one more time, and then I can take the handcuffs off.
Can you please just after just give me a ticket and let me go, please? I really don't want to be here.
Have a seat. We're almost through this part.
No, I know. I just really don't want to be here, please.
I fully understand.
You don't. You don't. Have you ever been here in this
No.
position? No, you don't.
I wouldn't be allowed to be a police officer.
Exactly. You don't know what it feels like. So don't say you know, because you don't.
No, I understand you don't want to be here, is what I'm saying.
But to an extent, you don't understand. Because you've never been in this seat before with your fucking hands cuffed behind your back. I just want to go home. And I don't care. Like, at this point, like, whatever happens, I just want to go home. There's no point in fucking holding me here. Just drive me home, please. That's gonna be so bad. What is it?
What was your question, sir?
What is it?
What is what? You didn't ask me a question.
The number I just blew.
No, we gotta do two. So it does one, and now it's doing a sec. It's gonna wait here in a second. It's cleaning out all of the breath you provide. We do a second one, then it prints off a result sheet.
I just want to go home, please. I'm really cold. Sorry, Dad.
So all your paperwork goes to the correct place. What is your address here in town?
What do you need to know?
So all your court paperwork goes to the right place. Okay. It's ready for your second one. If you would please stand up. Would you please stand up?
What do you want?
We have to do the second one, and then it's done.
I can't even.
Okay. Take your deep breath in.
Fuck you. I'm sorry.
Take your deep breath in, please.
Oh my God.
We're almost done.
Sorry.
Okay, and blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh. You unsealed your lips, so the air didn't go through it. Take your deep breath in. As soon as you provide the sample, I can get the handles on. Blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, 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 keep going. Almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay. That was my body camera. That was the machine.
Is it fine though?
It's gonna tell me here in a second.
Officer Westerman completed a breathalyzer test and then asked Mered to remove her jewelry and placed her in a cell.
I'll be back with you in a couple hours.
Can I make a call or what?
No.
No?
Be back with
What
you.
is that about? I thought that was like, I can make
It's
a
TV.
call.
That's if you're booked into jail. You don't want to be booked into jail.
What? I can't make one call?
No, it's a TV thing. This is a holding facility, it's not a jail.
Okay, but what? I can't.
Get in the cell.
What? I can't make a call
Nope.
to anyone?
Get in the cell. Do it now.
For how long?
Get in the cell.
For how long?
You can be up here for 6 hours. I don't know how many more times I could answer that question for you.
You don't have any answer for me.
6 hours. Get in the cell. Yeah, I know.
Following a short stay there, she was taken out for her photo and fingerprinting. Then, she got her possessions back and was let go with a court summons. Mered was charged with driving under the influence under RCW 4661502 and told to appear in court in Colfax. Thank you for watching. We hope this story highlights the importance of road safety and the serious consequences of driving under the influence. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more real-life stories and important lessons.